How to fix missing motion photo video clips on your Android camera. This tutorial shows you how to make sure motion photo is properly enabled so your clips are being captured. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom, the one that looks like four dots forming a square. From there, scroll across the options and look for a small play button icon. At this point, long press on it to confirm that it is the motion photo icon before tapping it. In the next step, tap on it to make sure motion photo is turned on. Following this, go ahead and take a photo while slightly moving your phone. Motion photo will automatically record a short video clip along with the still image. Once done, tap on the picture thumbnail at the bottom left of the screen to open the photo you just took. Finally, you'll see the motion photo option on the image. Tap on it to play back the short clip that was captured along with your photo. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.